today, Gerb?
Yo, we're out data logging right now. Officially have the SI tuned. I'm super freaking hyped. It's the best the car's ever ran so far.
Which revision are we on right now?
We're on number 2 right now.
We're on number 2? How many are there? Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
It goes by pretty much how many ever you need to pretty much perfect your tune. There could be up to 10, there could be 4, there could be 15. It all depends how your car is, what mods you have, and how it's running.
What do you think? How much do you think it's going to take for yours?
I'm probably going to say a good solid 4 to get it. Yeah, because they still have to tune my wide open throttle and stuff. Second gear.
It feels a lot smoother than it used to.
Yeah,
it's definitely a lot less jerky.
Mess with the throttle, dude.
Yeah.
The fuel still needs to be adjusted. That's what he said.
What do you think about the responsiveness?
It's so responsive, dude. There's no rev hang or like jerkiness between shift. You could just slam it into a gear and it's already ready to catch. Like there's no delay or anything like a base map or like a regular ECU, dude. It's well worth the money. I'm gonna tell you right now.
Oh, and you said my boy Steve had
E-Tunes. So apparently about to stir up the pot.
Yeah, about to stir it up.
All the Vit fans, dude. I guess Steve and Vit worked together at one point, and pretty much they ended up splitting up. But from what I heard, Steve taught Vit everything he knows. So just remember, if you're gonna go with Vit, you're paying more money, and you're paying for a guy who's not gonna like literally tell you everything they're doing to your car. So reconsider that before you choose the right e-tuner.
Yo, why are you leaving the window open, bro?
Sure.
I'm about to catch frostbite out here. Definitely need to invest in one of these. This is like ideal. And I also need to get a new camera. I'm looking at getting a DSLR. My buddy's got one for sale. It's a Canon T3i. And he's got some lenses. He's gonna do like a bundle package. I think he was gonna give it to me for like a few $100. So might have to invest in that. So stay tuned for some more HD videos. My boy Gerb got the Castro on deck.
And the power is there. Like it's very hard to explain unless you drive it. Like put it that way.
It turns your Civic into a Type R basically, right?
Yeah. Dude, Type R is that shit.
You had a chance to drive one of those, right?
They pick up so fast.
How was that?
Like no other Honda I've ever driven, dude. Like the power, the torque, and the turbo, and the shifter was just like.
You're willing to sacrifice the crossover for it?
No,
right?
I wouldn't even sell this for a Type R. If I got a Type R, I would want to keep this car still.
Yeah.
Because my only complaint about the Type R is, yeah, it's fast and everything, but it doesn't feel as sporty. It doesn't rev as high as this car does.
Yep.
That's what makes the 8th gen SI. Like everybody knows them for that, you know?
Yeah, it just feels like a race car.
Yup.
What did you bring it to?
78, almost 8, yeah.
It goes up in increments of 4, right?
I haven't tested it yet, but we'll try it 3rd gear. Before it was increments 4. Now, since it's speed density with AFM, it's a hybrid, it should have more power and stuff, especially because the throttle is messed with.
What you think, in increments of 5?
That'd be insane. Not knowing my tuner from like in person and just having some file that I download on the internet, but like after reading the reviews and just everybody like confirming that the guy knows what he's doing gave me so much confidence, dude. And I just was like, you know what? 169, he gave me a discount code, why not? And I honestly don't regret any bit of it. So told Billy, look looking for a tuner when he gets his car back, Steve at E-Tunes, dude, I'm telling you. Gets the shit done, bro.
Steve at E-Tunes, guys, you're already here.
Gets it done, dude.
Yep. Another thing, guys, if you plan on getting a tune, an E-Tune in particular, and you're getting those revisions, when you're sending in your revisions and your data logging, Gerb was just telling me, you gotta make sure that your gas is at least at a half a tank. And you gotta make sure that your car is all the way warmed up and ready to go, so
you won't have proper, like, data logging and information stored in the hot data. Like, you get false readings and stuff, maybe like false knock here and there. So just do those 2 things and you should be good.
And if you're having false readings, then you're not gonna get the most power, or you're not even gonna get any at all.
Yeah. Got Billy's boy. Second to red line.
Headed into Fortune and Woke, about to get some of that quality Chinese food.
Out here right now.
Gotta go with that General Tso's chicken.
What are you about to get?
About to get, yeah, some General Tso's chicken.
About to get, I don't know, either General or I might do chicken and broccoli.
General Tso's.
White rice.
She girthy. She girthy.
Oh yeah, boy. Feast.
Yes, sir.
Oh my god, dude.
What you thinking, bud?
It's like the best I've had. It's spicy though. A little
Yeah,
bit,
dude, that's what I'm saying. It's got a little kick to it. It's fire. We eating good tonight, boys. We eating good. So we just left the Chinese restaurant and we just got back, and now we are about to jump start the EX right there, and we're gonna diagnose the problem. Either needs a new battery or a new alternator. So we're about to go figure what the problem is right now. The K24 light valve, it's like deep in the engine bay compared to the K20. You got that plastic manny for the torque right there. Yeah, you got that torque. And dude, yeah, the intake, like you said, dude, this intake is pretty.
For what it is, dude,
yeah, it's pretty aggressive.
Negative. Wow, that thing is f***ing huge, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Those are aftermarket though, right?
Remember when we got one at the? Remember we got that one at the?
All right, let it just run. Yeah, it advanced or whatever.
All right, guys. So this is the moment of truth. Let's see if she will start.
It's a Honda, bro.
And that, everyone, is a Type R.
Type R gang.
My boy Rusty.
It's a Ford.
All right, but anyways, guys, just left Advanced Auto Parts, and good news, it's not the alternator. The battery's completely shot, and the terminals are just corroded. So she needs a new battery and probably like another terminal, but you know, nothing major. So she lives to see another day.
Could be worse.
Could be worse. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Got to see Gerb get his tune all set up. Stay tuned for more revisions. So we could perfect his tune. Shout out to Steve at E-Tunes. Definitely gonna.
He's gonna consider.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna consider him once I get my Honda.
Dude, you should.
Yeah, but we just pulled up to Starbucks. We're gonna get these videos on the way out.
Got a long edit.
Yeah, got a long edit, and yeah, stay tuned. Peace out, fam.
Never stop wrenching.
What happened?
And remember, never stop wrenching.
Just left Fortune Woke.